Using Affirm at Walmart allows you to finance your purchases through installment payments. Here's how to use Affirm on Walmart. Shop on Walmart. Browse Walmart's website or visit a physical store to select the items you want to purchase. Proceed to checkout. Once you've added items to your cart, proceed to the checkout page. Choose Affirm. During the checkout process, select Affirm as your payment option. This option is typically available alongside other payment methods like credit or debit cards and PayPal. Apply for financing. If it's your first time using Affirm, you'll need to apply for financing. Affirm will ask for some personal information to determine your eligibility for a loan. Select loan terms. After being approved for financing, choose the loan term that best suits your needs. Affirm offers various repayment plans with different interest rates and durations. Complete purchase. Once you've selected your loan terms, complete the purchase process as usual. Affirm will pay Walmart on your behalf, and you'll repay Affirm in monthly installments. Make payments. After your purchase, make timely payments to Affirm according to the agreed upon terms. You can manage your payments and account through the Affirm website or mobile app.